Hi friends, this is the project IoT based health monitoring system using ESP32. The main objective of this project is to measure the different health parameters using different sensors. The components used in this project are: this is the LCD module for monitoring the data. This is Arduino Uno board. This one is ESP32. It is one of the IoT module. Here we are using ESP32 for uploading the data to the ThinkSpeak server. This is GSM module for sending the message. And this is the power supply board to generate 12 volts and 5 volts DC regulated supplies. And this is the Dallas temperature sensor for measuring the body temperature. This one is DHT11 temperature sensor for measuring surrounding temperature. This one is the buzzer for alerting. This is the respiration sensor. This is soil moisture sensor for measuring the urine. And this one is heartbeat sensor. Okay, now let us coming to the working. Any one of these health parameters, means body temperature or surrounding temperature or respiration or abnormal heartbeat. So if any of these parameters and urine also exceeds the threshold levels, then you will get a message alert and buzzer alert, and these values will be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak server using ESP32. Okay, now let us see that one by one. Here initial temperature it is measuring is 26 degrees Celsius around. See, now the body temperature is exceeded 30 degrees Celsius, so that's why buzzer is alerting, and at the same time you will get a message alert. Okay, here I am giving the heat like this, so it is getting more heat. So normally it is showing 26 degrees Celsius. Whenever I am giving the external heat, then it is increased to 30 degrees Celsius. So that's why continuously buzzer is alerting, and at the same time message alert you will get. So like this, if you can, if the surrounding temperature measured by this sensor is greater than 30 degrees Celsius, then also you will get the buzzer alert and message alert. Now let us coming to this soil moisture. See, now the soil moisture sensor detects urine, so that's why buzzer is alerting, and at the same time you will get a message alert. So like this you have to check this. Urine. So now urine is detected, so that's why buzzer is alerting, and you will get the message alert. See, now there is no urine, so buzzer is stopped ringing, and you will not get any message alert in this case. Now let us give the input for this respiration sensor. So whenever respiration is detected by this sensor, then buzzer will alert and you will get the message alert. Similarly, you have to give the input for this heartbeat sensor like this. So whenever you can put this sensor to finger, then you will get BPM value on LCD. So it is 87. So it is normal heartbeats. so that's why you won't get any buzzer alert and message alert. So if any abnormal heartbeat detects, then see now BPM is 149, so it is abnormal value. So in this case you should get the buzzer alert as well as message alert. So like this, if any of these sensors value exceeded normal values, then you will get a message alert and at the same time buzzer alert. And these are the ThingSpeak values after uploading to the ThingSpeak server. So here I am uploading body temperature and surrounding temperature and heartbeat values to the ThingSpeak using ESP32. Okay, so like this you can continuously monitor the health parameters using this project. Thank you.